Hi, welcome to the 3D Pen Den. The question for today is 3D Pen more of a drawing tool, or a painting tool, or a sculpting tool? And what is the difference, and why do we care? Both drawing and painting are usually done on a 2D surface, and you have to somehow convey the third dimension. In drawing, you do it with the shape of the line. In painting, you do it with a strategic placement of patches of different colored paint. With 3D Pen, we don't have to worry about conveying the third dimension. It makes the object instantly three-dimensional. No need to fake that part. However, the methods of working and finishing the projects resemble drawing or painting quite a bit. You can work either linear, with just outlines, like in drawing, or you can make solid finished surfaces, either smooth or textural, like in painting. Either way, you start with a single line, just like in drawing. And with a few simple outlines, you can divide the empty space in front of you into a ball and a not ball, just by visually enclosing a piece of round space, which is quite a superpower if you think about it. Now you have a drawing of a sphere and you can stop right there. There is magic in simplicity. The linear approach has its advantages, like letting you represent a transparent object, even with a liquid inside. The linear drawing also gives you 3 distinct areas for further work. You can stay and play on the surface of the ball, or work the inner space because you can still see inside of it, or extend from the surface outward into all the infinite outside space and still see the original shape. I can draw in color with lines right next to each other, but not ever letting them actually touch. The moment the lines merge and we start making the surface completely solid, we have crossed into the painting territory. We are suddenly acutely aware of the fact that, oh, the brush strokes show. And at that point, we have to make some decisions about whether we are going to leave the brush strokes or blend them, and how much. Which are some of the decisions painters make. We can blend with a melt tool and sand to achieve completely seamless surface, like the old masters. Just be aware that it will take a few or many extra hours, just like that kind of painting. Or you can customize your brush strokes in any way you like and leave them there to create texture, just like some of the more recent painters. Texture is a good option because 3D pens are best at making textures. So you may choose to make a good use of them instead of just getting rid of them. Again, takes more time, so be aware of what you are signing up for. So, do you want to use your 3D pen more as a pencil or a brush? Bottom line, drawing with 3D pen is a bit faster than painting with it, but it all has to be appropriate for your specific project, and some will call for both, just like when you first make a drawing and then paint over it. 3D pens are amazing tools. They can draw, paint, and sculpt. So go and get one if you haven't yet. Before you go shopping, you may want to watch this video. The link is in the description. And until next time, go and make something.